And I'm not one to give advice to other people for their life, but because I feel like we're all on our own journey. But if I can say one thing to you, it's to find the thing that you love to do and to do it with people you love. You will always have a happy life if you do that. Because I believe that the amount of happiness that you have in your heart is directly tied to how free you feel. And that has a lot to do with the people around you. And all I wish for every single one of you is that you feel as happy and as free as you made me feel tonight. Thank you so much. I want that for you. I want you to feel free. I want you to feel free to love and free to be who you want to be. Be whoever you want, free to fulfill your dreams. Just be free.